Did your arm fall off, Janelle? What happened? You okay?
Oh, I'm hanging on.
Okay.
Literally.
Oh, oh, what the?
So do you have scorpions and things like that?
We do.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, most common animal you'd see would be a mule deer. Early morning, late evening, you're going to see a lot of them. Second most common are javelinas, like a little wild boar, wild pig. And then coyotes, roadrunners. They really are a real animal. And then we've got bobcats, mountain lions.